In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images to Claude AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a picture to your chat and get useful descriptions, insights, and explanations from it. First, open Claude AI and log into your account. If you need the website, I've placed the official link right at the top of the description so you can get there quickly. If you prefer using an app, I've also included the download link at the top of the description. Once you're in, you'll see the chat interface where you can type to start a conversation. Click into the chat box to begin a new chat. This simply activates the message area so you can add text or attachments. Next to the chat input, look for the plus icon. Click that plus icon to open a small menu. This is where Claude lets you attach things to your message. From that menu, choose Add Files or Photos. Your computer or device will open a file picker so you can select the image you want to upload. Pick your image file. Common formats like JPG and PNG work great. After you select it, give it a moment to upload. You'll usually see a thumbnail or file name appear in the chat area, which confirms the image is attached and ready. Now, ask Claude about the image. You can keep it simple and clear. For example, type something like, "Describe this image. What's happening in this picture?" or "Analyze this image." The key is to state what you'd like to learn. If there's a specific detail you care about, mention it in the same message to guide the analysis. Claude will then generate a response with descriptions, insights, and explanations based on what it can observe in the image. Take a moment to read through the answer. Look for overall summaries, notable details, and any observations about text, objects, or context in the picture. If you'd like more, ask follow-up questions to refine the results. You might say, "Explain in detail," "Summarize what you see," or "Extract text from this image." The more specific your prompt, the more focused the response will be. You can iterate as needed until you have exactly what you want. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded and analyzed an image in Claude AI. If this was helpful, don't forget to check the links at the top of the description, and thanks for watching.